Init ay. Usa ka mainit nga adlaw kaninyong tanan mga idol. So mag-ride sa puta. Masingot tagamay. So shout out kay Jonax Villas. Jo, salamat kay sa tire. Nindot kay gamito no. Wow. So shout out po sa Villas family o sa Larita family diha sa Bukidnon province. Sa akong nanay diha, Nanay Feli, amping Birminay. So amping mong tanan. Mwah!
Part 2. Yeah. Vibe beats. Here we go.
Nawala siya. Hi ma'am.
Wala.
Face reveal ba eh?
Wala kayo nawong. Wala kayo nawong.
If you saw me cry, would you save my soul tonight?
Katawa.
Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die? The one you love. Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take what you breath away. Would you swear that you'll always be
Naggalit ka ron.
or would you lie? Would you run away?
At least langit
Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind?
Like birthday.
I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.
Basta ito na wala na siya.
Oh, I just wanna hold you.
Sumuto siya mga idol, nagabihan ko. Laag pa more. So salamat kayo sa tawag ito, orientation. Orientation sa front row. Sumuto siya si Ma'am Angeline mga idol. Atong gipangutanan ako dati sa kapitol ko tong unsay sa excuse me. Kaya ako gani nakabalos. Tawag salamat po kayo kay Ma'am Rowena. So saan mag front row na ta? Kalawag gani. Buna la. Ngit-ngit na nanayabal. Oh, grabe ngit-ngita mga idol. Ngit-ngit pas forever ni. Nayabat oh. Kalawag daw. Karon siguro ang kuhan. Wala na our clubs. Laag pa. Amping tang tanan mga idol, balag di tayo ng pingan.